Not you. Mom, I can't hear you. Can't hear you.
Am I
Mom,
audible
you are
now?
muted.
Children, am I audible now? Can I have one yes in the chat box?
Ma'am, you're audible, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Page number 24.
Ma'am,
Yes.
which page number, ma'am?
See, I've annotated. Pranavi, mute yourself, dear. Yes. Okay. List 4 commercial uses of water. Children, what are the commercial uses of water? Yes, very good, Mitra. Electricity, to produce electricity, factories, irrigation, very good.
Irrigation.
For construction, yes, very good, Guru Prasad.
Yes.
Irrigation in factories, for construction, so these are the 4 commercial uses of water. So first one is irrigation. Next, it is used in factories for construction purpose. And last, to generate hydroelectricity. And domestic uses, we know, right? That is drinking, washing, cleaning. So all the purpose which we use at home, we call it as domestic usage. So other than domestic usage, we call it as commercial usage of water. Have you all noted down, children?
No, ma'am.
Lakshay, you can reply in the chat box. Now you can mute yourself. Lakshay 3D. Yes. Yes, children. So irrigation is giving water to crops. In factories, it is used for cooling the machines. to generate hydroelectricity, that is to produce current for construction, for building purposes. We use water. Okay, next. Second one, list the sources of water on which farmers depend to irrigate their fields. So, what are all the sources of water farmers depend? Yes, rainfall. Other than rainfall, yes, canals, lakes, well, dam, rivers, yes, groundwaters, very good. Tube well. So all these are sources of water on which farmers depend to irrigate their fields. Pardon? I couldn't get you. Yes, whatever you're trying to say, please come in the chat box, children. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks with an appropriate answer. The options are water vapor, limited, reservoir, irrigation. Water is stored in a dash behind the gates of dams. Yes, very good, children. Reservoir.
The wire.
Alan, yourself. So, what is a reservoir? Large amount of water collected behind the dam is called reservoir. Next, dams provide water for. Yes, very good, children.
And
Irrigation. Next, we have water all around us in the form of water vapor. Absolutely right. There is a dash amount of water on the earth. Very good. Limited. There is only a certain amount of water, so we should not waste water. Have you all completed?
no, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Yes. We'll move on to next page. Page number 25. Number the steps of electricity generation given below in the correct order. So, there are 4 sentences given, and these 4 sentences are jumbled. So, when you sequence it or arrange it in proper order, it will give you the process of production of electricity. So, first one is the water makes the power generator work and generator produces electricity. Next, this electricity is sent to our homes through wires and cables. When the gates are open, water comes down with great force. Water is stored in a reservoir behind the gates of the dam. So, which is the first sentence, children? Oh, very good. You have given the order itself. So
B,
first one is
C, A, B.
D. So this is the first sentence. The first, water is stored in the reservoir behind the gates of the dam. And next, what do? We open the gates. When the gates are open, water comes down with the great force. So that is
Slow.
that is yes. What is the third sentence? Yes. The water makes the power generator work and generator produces electricity. So that becomes your third sentence. Last, this electricity is sent to our homes through wires and cables. This is the sequence of the production of electricity in hydroelectric power plants. Say true or false for the following statements. First one, water is available in an unlimited amount on the earth. Is it true or false?
False.
Yes, false. Good. Which is the correct statement then? Very good, Mitra. It is not unlimited.
Come down, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute, come down, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute, come down, ma'am.
Anushka,
want
what do you want? Anushka, the sequence is 3, 4, 2, 1. Okay. Even if I scroll down, there won't be any annotations. So here, instead of unlimited, you will write the correct answer on top. Write it as limited.
It is not visible, ma'am. Next, ma'am.
Is it visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Pranavi,
Ma'am.
Stop your annotation request. Next, evaporation is similar to rain. Is it true or false, children? False. Then which is similar to rain? Which process? We know there are three processes in water cycle, right? Evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Very good, Mahati. Precipitation is similar to rain. So that will be the correct statement. Third one, water cycle is a continuous process. True or false? Yes, absolutely, it is true. Precipitation is not a part
Ma'am.
of the process of water cycle.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I cannot hear you, ma'am. Can you talk loudly?
okay. Precipitation is not a part of the process of water cycle. Is it true or false, children? Yes, it is false. Just strike out the not. Yes,
Ma'am, hi, ma'am. Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
yes. Next, match column A with column B. So column A, evaporation. Children, mute yourself. Pratiksha, mute yourself, Pratiksha. So evaporation, which is the correct statement? Yes, very good. It occurs due to heat. So evaporation occurs on heating. Next, tube well. Tube well is used for, very good children, irrigation. Tube well is used for irrigation. Next, condensation. Yes, it occurs due to cooling. Condensation occurs on cooling. Dams. To produce electricity. Very good. Last one, precipitation. When does it occur?
When clouds get too heavy.
Yes, when clouds get too heavy, precipitation occurs. So this is your homework. Draw a well-labeled diagram of water cycle in the space given below. So page number 26 will be your homework. Am I clear, children?
Clear, children?
Ma'am, please show the match the following.
Match the following.
Match the
answer
following.
is evaporation
Evaporation
occurs due to
occurs due to heat.
tube well.
Tube well.
Pranavi, please mute
Pranavi,
yourself.
please mute yourself.
Tube well, irrigation, condensation occurs due to cooling, dams, electricity, precipitation when clouds get too heavy.
Ma'am, page number is the homework.
Page number 26
Number
is your
26
homework.
is your homework.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
what is a
See,
mind map?
what is a mind map?
Means, Pranavi, next time if you're going to unmute yourself, you'll be in the lobby. Children, this is the mind map. So mind map is the putting your answers in the form of map. Just the important points will be written in the form of map. And this is the mind map. This is just an example of mind map. So first, water is life, the name of the lesson. And what and all we learned. We learned the domestic uses and we learned the commercial uses and the cultural uses. So domestic uses we'll draw a cloud here and we'll represent drinking, cleaning, bathing. Commercial uses, we'll draw 3 more clouds and will represent irrigation, factories to produce hydroelectricity. And cultural uses in all the religions, right? Hindu, Muslim, Christian. And for what purpose they use water? For cleansing the impurities, for cleansing our mind and body. So that we can create a cloud here and we can write it. So this is the form of mind map. So this you have to create your own mind maps with all the answers and all the important points. So each and every lesson, you can create your own mind maps. Children, have you all understood what is the meaning of mind map?
Ma'am, where write ma'am this mind map?
You can write it in EVS homework notebook. Or you have blank page in your EVS classwork, right? Yes. See, mind map, there is mind map for each and every lesson, which you have to make your own mind maps for each and every lesson, and you can do it in your EVS homework notebook. See, this is mind map for lesson 6, water is life. Can you see the clouds here? The main topics in this lesson is domestic uses, commercial uses, and cultural uses. So below the domestic uses, what are all the uses under the domestic purpose? You will write it. And under commercial uses, what are all the commercial uses of water? We will write it. Dikshita, pay attention. And what are all the cultural uses in all the religion, how they use for cleansing our impurities, cleansing our mind and bodies, and is used as holy water. So all these are cultural uses. This is how you can make or create a mind map. Yes, children. Okay, now we are going to do our oral assessment for lesson 5 and 6. Are you all ready? Can I call out your names?
Wait, Mom, I'm writing.
Yes. We'll start from the last. First, Yugesh 3D. Yugesh, are you ready, Yugesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Your question is here. Air is a mixture of dash. See, children, this comes under LSR for EVS. Yugesh, do you know the answer or not? Air is the mixture of dash.
Gases, ma'am.
Yes, good. Gases. Next person is Yasmin Adil. Can you unmute yourself? Say
Ma'am, my
Jai
name is
Gurudev.
Shamil.
What's your name?
Shamil.
Okay, Shamil. Here is your questions. Dash need air to breathe.
All living things.
Very good. All living things need air to breathe. Yes, you can mute
Right,
yourself.
ma'am.
Next, Y Devarsh 3C. Devarsh, can you unmute yourself? Children, make it fast. You know the order, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Air is made up of dash percentage of oxygen.
21.
Very good. 21 percentage of oxygen.
Thanks, ma'am.
Yes, you can mute yourself. Next, Vismaya. Vismaya 3C.
Ma'am?
Yes, Vismaya. Dash is the most abundant gas in air. Which gas is present in large quantity?
Nitrogen, ma'am.
Louder?
Nitrogen, ma'am.
Yes, good. Nitrogen. You can mute yourself, dear. Next, Shri 3C.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Next, what is the percentage of nitrogen in air?
78
70.
percentage.
Next, Syed. Syed, are you there? Can you unmute yourself, Syed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Carbonated drinks are also called as?
Fizzy drinks.
Very good. Fizzy drinks. Yes, you can mute yourself. Next, Suhan 3C. Yes, Suhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Dash is used in fire extinguisher. Which gas is used in fire extinguisher, Suhan?
Oxygen.
No.
Government. dioxide. Oxygen. Ma'am. 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 There, ma'am. 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 There, ma'am. 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 Ma'am, your voice is not there. What's up, ma'am? Ma'am, we cannot hear you, ma'am. Ma'am? 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 Your voice? Ma'am? Hear you. Ma'am? 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 Ma'am, what happened, ma'am? Ma'am, what happened, ma'am? 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 Ma'am, talk, ma'am. Ma'am? 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 Ma'am, I cannot hear you, ma'am. Ma'am, we cannot hear you, ma'am. Ma'am? Ma'am, we cannot hear you, ma'am. Ma'am? 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 Ma'am, I cannot hear you, ma'am. Ma'am, I can.
Problem. All of you mute yourself. Poor signal. Please mute yourself. Kindly mute yourself. Poor signal. Please mute yourself.
Children, am I audible now?
Ma'am.
Am I audible, children?
Audible, ma'am. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You're audible.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, you're audible, ma'am. Audible.
Yes. So next. Yes. Okay. Now I want everyone to mute yourself. Next, Sudarshini, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please mute everyone. Sangeeta, ma'am. Carbon dioxide, water vapor, and dust particles constitute dash percentage of air. What is the answer, Sudarshini?
Ma'am. 1%, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, Sivaruban. Sivaruban, can you unmute yourself? Yes, here is your question. Balloon experiment proves which